Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about exponential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. A college math class consists of 32 students. On Monday at 9 a.m., the teacher tells one student to notify the others that the test scheduled for Wednesday at 9 a.m. has been cancelled. The model for the number of students in the class who have heard this information after 3 hours is this equation in here. After how many hours will half of the class have been notified? So now I will show you how to answer. We have 32 students. We need to divide by 2. So because they want to find how many hours will half of the class have been notified, that's why we need to divide by 2. And we got about 16. We have this equation in here. So we put number 16 go in here. So number 32 go to the left. 16 minus 32, you got about negative 16. Next, we divide both sides by negative 32. We have 1 over 2. Next, I will use about natural log for the both sides. So this one, we have the formula. That's about ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So this one, we can write into negative 0.02 t ln e. And we know that ln e represents about number 1. So we can put like this. Next, we divide both sides by negative 0.02. And this is approximate about 34.66 hours. And this is the final answer we need to find. This is the end. Thank you for watching.